How to rotate page in Adobe Acrobat. First, head over to acrobat.adobe.com in your browser. Log in to your Adobe account. Once you are there, click on All Tools and open any tool like Edit a PDF or Add Comments. Now, upload your PDF file. Right above the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons, you will see the Rotate icon. Click the Rotate button until your page faces the way you want. It works instantly. You can rotate multiple times if needed. Bonus tip: rotation here is only for viewing. It won't save the rotation permanently unless you use the Organize Pages tool, which is available in Pro version only. And that's how you rotate a page in Adobe Acrobat. Fast and easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.